latest is the West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. In fact, she goes on to say after Bihar, it will be conducted in West Bengal and she is going to oppose it tooth and nail. So the political war over the Election Commission's role revision exercise intensifying, with the Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee warning the Election Commission of India. In fact, addressing a packed rally in Kolkata on the occasion of Martyrs' Day, Mamata Banerjee claimed that more than 40 lakh names have been removed in Bihar, where the special intensive revision exercise was underway. She then went on to also issue a warning, saying that if the exercise is done in Bengal, she will gherao the EC. She vowed to not allow the exercise in the state.
लेकिन जैसे बिहार में 40 लाखों का ज्यादा आदमी को नाम निकाल दिया और बंगाल में भी करने वाला है, अगर करेगा तो घेराव कर्मसूची करेंगे, पूरा घेराव होगा, पूरा आंदोलन होगा। हम नाम काटने नहीं देंगे, हम नाम डालने नहीं देंगे डिटेंशन कैंप में।
The BJP has slammed Mamata Banerjee, accusing her of fear-mongering and spreading lies. The BJP in fact claims that names that have been removed from the voter list in Bihar are those who have either died, shifted or are duplicate names. It also claimed that the Bengal duplicate voter number is around 17 lakh and strongly defended the EC's exercise of the voter list cleanup. Citing the constitution, the BJP asserted that the EC has every right to carry out the special intensive revision, asking Mamata Banerjee what is she afraid of? Why is she afraid of the names of infiltrators or illegals being removed?
देश के संविधान के अंदर इलेक्शन कमीशन सुप्रीम है। इलेक्शन कमीशन जो करेगा वही होगा।
ममता जी ये कह रहे हैं
रोहिंग्या मुसलमान, बांग्लादेशी मुसलमान घुसपैठिया वोटर लिस्ट में नहीं रहेगी।
जब 2014 में बांग्लादेश के डिटेंशन कैंप में वहां पर 16 लाख रोहिंग्या थे, तो आज का डेट में अगर वहां पर आप लोग जाएंगे तो देखेंगे 2 लाख से ज्यादा नहीं। इसका मतलब ये जो 14 लाख रोहिंग्या है, ये चीन, जापान या यूएस तो नहीं गया है। इंडो बांग्लादेश बॉर्डर क्रॉस करके ये जो 450 किलोमीटर अनफेस्ड एरिया है, वहां से इंडिया में आए हैं। ममता बनर्जी को मानना ही पड़ेगा, कोई भी अगर रूल इलेक्शन कमीशन की तरफ से लगाए जाते हैं तो वो स्टेट को मानना चाहिए। यही संवैधानिक जो है प्रक्रिया है।
My colleague Ridhita joins us on the broadcast with the details of the political face-off playing out. Well, Ridhita, the issue of the Election Commission's exercise is in the Supreme Court. It is likely being debated in the Parliament as well. But at a time like this, the Chief Minister of a state who holds a constitutional position to be making a statement where she says that if it is conducted in this state, we will gherao the EC is unacceptable. Take us through what the TMC has said on the threat that Mamata Banerjee has issued to the EC.
Absolutely. As you see, this is not for the first time that Mamata Banerjee has made such claims on BJP and EC being jointly practicing manipulation against Bengal. She has said that after Bihar, if the same SIR policy is exempted in Bengal, then she is going to gherao the EC office along with all the BJP leaders of houses in West Bengal. She has also mentioned that this is a manipulation that has been going on and played by BJP and the EC commissioner subsequently. And this is not only Mamata Banerjee but also Abhishek Banerjee, who had made this very statement yesterday that BJP and the EC plays hand in hand, because BJP only has the EC and ED agencies like this, which can only which is letting it to be in power. So you see, yesterday in her 67 minutes public speech from the dais of 21st July's Martyrs' Day, she had made it very clear, and she has also alarmed all the TMC supporters who had come from 28 districts of West Bengal yesterday, stating that they should check up with their name. And this is not for the first time that she had warned the people of Bengal and the TMC supporters especially that they should check up their name, that at least till the last day of voting their names should be there in the list. And she said that it won't be easy to put anybody in the detention camp now if the EC tries tries to put anybody in the detention camp. As you see, Bengalis are under target all over the nation now. So she's saying that this practice of putting Bengalis behind the detention
But
camps
it was her statement where she goes on to say that the EC will be gheraued and there will be a big Andolan that has garnered some controversy, because this is the same state where we've also seen some violence against some of the government officials, including the ED officers as well. The Chief Minister making such a statement to a packed crowd has not gone down too well. Ridhita, thank you for joining us with those details. With that, it's time for us to slip into a very quick break here. Don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with lots more on the other side.